Hey guys, in this video I want to show you the best deck for Arena 3 in Clash Royale. And this one is actually called the Battle Ram Aggro. Okay, so this is one of the new cards, the Battle Ram, to Arena 3. And it's a much more fast-paced win con than the Giant. So, it's nice to have a reliable way to win games other than the Giant. Even though he is great, it's heavily featured. In this arena. So the Battle Ram is actually similar to the Giant in that both only target buildings, but the Battle Ram is much faster and it costs less elixir, right? And when you drop it on the battlefield, it immediately starts moving towards the nearest building, and then as it goes, it'll pick up speed until it reaches a very fast charge. So whatever the ram connects with when charging will do a huge chunk of damage. And then the barbarians pop out and do even more damage. Now, since the battle ram turns into two barbarians after connecting, it is a bit harder to do sustained tower damage than with a giant, and you can easily do a quick chunk if you connect with towers, but that's not all there is to it. Okay, to do more than just the initial battle ram chunk of damage, you'll have to utilize your support troops. So we have a trio here of 4 cost troops for elixir, here to be able to take care of anything that might threaten you. So there's no worries there. The Valkyrie counters ground swarms and can tank tons of damage. The Musketeer counters air troops, and Mini P.E.K.K.A counters tanks, mainly giant at this arena. And with all these cards and a stream of battle rams in hand, climbing the arena will be quite easy, and you can use these support troops as well. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.